Hello everyone, and in this video I show you how to deposit coins at Bank of America. But first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. So why do we deposit coins at Bank of America? Deposit your coins at Bank of America offers a ton of advantages. Convenience, securely store your coins in your saving or checking account. Free service, Bank of America charges no fees for coin deposits. Time efficiency, use coin counting machines to save time and effort. Interest earning, grow your money over time by depositing coins into a saving account. Now let's explore the step-by-step process. Step 1. Collect and organize your coins by denomination. Step 2. Prepare coins by sorting, counting, wrapping in coin wrappers, labeling and sealing. Step 3. Visit a Bank of America branch, locate a teller, provide identification, hand over your rolled coins and confirm the deposit. Some branches may have self-service coin counting machines. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.